Everyone, and welcome to this beginning friendly Python tutorial on our YouTube channel. Python is one of most popular and easiest programming languages to learn. In this session, I will show you how to setting up Python in Visual Studio Code and running your very first Python program. Before we start coding, make sure you have Python and Visual Studio Code installed to your system. If you have no installed them yet, visit python.org and there is a menu. You can download the latest uh, Python versions for Windows and you can install these ones. Similarly, if you go to the uh, code.visualstudio.com and the front page, there is a option download for Windows, so you can download Visual Studio Code. Once you have Visual Studio Code installed, you can open the Visual Studio Code. So in my case, the menu is already, I have Visual Studio Code. So if I click that once, you will get similar type of interface. So first thing I will do, I will create, I will click on extension tab, and we need Microsoft Python extension. So if we write down Python, and there is a Microsoft Pythons already I installed in my system. So this extension features useful features like system highlighting, auto completions, and debugging. So after install this ones, just first we create a new file or new program for that. In this case, if we click the Explorer, you will see open folder. So I can create the open or click the open folder first, um, and anywhere you can create a folder. So in this case, I creating a folder in my download section. So if I get new file, and if I can say my files, if I say select, this is the my file, and the folder is appears. So if I select this folder, and inside this folder I'm creating new file, for examples in this case hello.py. So any files you are writing in Python code, the extension must be py. So enter this once. So in this case, python.py, my file name. Here I need to write set of instructions. So display the hello world. I need the one statement. In this case, if I write down the print within parentheses, if I say within double quotation hello comma world, and print is a functions output functions or a built-in function. That's whatever we're writing within double quotation, it will be displayed on the monitor. So first save whatever the code, whatever I have written. save it, and we want to run this one to see hello world is displaying or not. So in this case, if we click the view, there is a terminal, and terminal section is coming. So here we can write down the comment. For example, Python is the comment and the file name. So in our case, hello.py is file name. So hello.py. If we enter this one, it is showing hello world. So congratulations, you have just written and executed your first Python program. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channels for more programming content. Thank you for watching and see you in the next tutorial.